What's going on, guys? It's your boy Celeb Man. Welcome back to our page, guys. So today we are out in the streets and we're gonna give a makeover to one lucky person. So come with me on my journey where we'll knock on a random person's door and we offer them a makeover of a lifetime. Here we go, guys. Let's go. So we've just turned up at this house right here. Okay, let's knock on their door and let's see who it is. Who's behind door number 1?
Chatting fuck, blood. They ain't doing no makeup for no one except our damn sales.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy. I'm joking. Psych. We are actually doing a makeover for our front.
Our entry hall.
Entry hall.
Ask me why our entry hall is this big.
So our entry hall is, yeah, super like spacious. But it's bare like ugly. Like, sorry. You'll think that bare people live here. You'll literally think that bare people live here. It's only me, her, and my son.
I see more of your shoes than mine. I only see 2 shoes that belong to me.
No, we had a wedding, guys. So the other day was my cousin's wedding, and we had all the groomsmen met up here before the weddings, and that's like all of their shoes, like they all kind of left here.
Colour scheme.
Jeez.
Black.
Baby, your skin's looking a bit flawless today. What's going on? What's going on though? Your skin's looking a little bit cheese. You go with the pose?
No.
You with the pose? Alright, turn around for us.
No.
This is the booty.
I ain't gonna.
Come on, man. This one's the booty, man. Can't see it.
Good. Anyways, yeah, colour scheme is like matte black with like white, but I want to do a little bit of natural. Like I'm obsessed right now with them like woven baskets and all that kind of macrame kind of look. So I want to get like a new.
You need one of those
I
hate these
lampshades. I want to change the light
bulb. Look at that decor, that's so beautiful.
Yes.
But yeah, I did that lampshade, man. So flipping 2001.
Anyways, yeah, that's the plan, man. So I'm gonna start. Where do you start? You'll start with the radiator cover.
Yeah,
and I'm gonna start doing the mirrors. I'm gonna show you in a bit what I'm doing with that because it's gonna be a bit of a job.
Cool. All right, guys, cool. Yeah, let's get started.
Let's do it. So you have to excuse the state of my backyard. I need to cut the grass, and also this bush is just growing out of control. It's a rosemary bush, so I don't really want to cut it and waste it. But I'm going to be working out here because I don't wash that trash bag either. We had a barbecue and then it just started raining for days and days and days, and we just didn't get to tackle the garden. So transformation video is going to be coming soon. I got these mirrors. Let me show you. So literally these mirrors cost £1. Let me see, LÖNSÅS from Ikea. Hang on. There you go, that's better. £1 from Ikea, and I got 20 of them. And then I've got the frames. I just put one in to see how it's gonna look. But the frames were like $1.25 each. I wanted black. Let me see if I can show you. The one so you know which one to get. Can you see that? I wanted black, but all the blacks were sold out, so I got white and I bought spray paint, so I'm gonna spray paint it and hope for the best. That's gonna be my job for today. Wish me luck, guys.
Alright, guys, I'm just doing the radio covers and bruh, man, I'm stressed. Fam, look at all the pieces that I've got to put together. Bruh, it's gonna take me forever. But stressed out. I can hear Haley doing bad stuff. Sorry for the messy kitchen, guys. Let's see what Haley's doing. Bro, before we do that, bro, guys, look at my drinks fridge. I got 5 bottles of water, some jollof rice from my cousin's wedding, bucket of KFC, and some juice. I'm stressed. Look at Chase. What are you doing here?
Spray painting. I didn't have the patience to wait for black frames to come back in stock, so
So you bought white frame and we're spray painting in black.
A million of those, and I'm just finishing up. Like some of the edges don't really get touched.
Solid. Solid.
They look cold though.
They look
This
nice
might
though.
look his life.
They
Oh
look
my
nice.
goodness.
I
I
can hear Zay in the background. Baba! Baba! Hi Baba. Hello. 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 Say hi guys. He's not on it today, boy. Say hi guys. Baba. Isaiah. Yummy. Yummy. Look at your face. Shall we get dinner? Baba. Hey yo. Yeah, cherry. 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 No, cherry. Say cherry. Come on, let's get dinner. All right, Zay's all set up. Eating jam and egg. Cheese. Is it nice, Baba? Is it nice? Yeah? Cool. All right. Let me get back to it. While Henry's been out there doing the spray painting, I've been doing this. Bro, this is taking me forever. Literally taking me forever. And I am stressing out. This is taking me forever. Crying out loud. Yes, Baba, you came to rescue me. It's taking forever. But we gotta get it done.
So I have finally finished spray painting all of the frames. And then these are the other ones that I've done before. That's all done. The backs are here. I didn't spray paint those because no one's gonna see them. Save some money. I paid like, I bought 4 bottles of this spray paint from Home Bargains, bro. It was like $1.99 each. So I paid like £8 something for 4 of them. And I used just under 3. Hey Bubbles, what you got there? What is that? Tell mommy. Thank you. Let's go find Daddy. Let's go see what Daddy's doing. Come on. Let's go see what Daddy's doing. How you getting on? Yeah. Is this all you've done?
Yeah.
Is that so? Ooh, try not to trip. Okay, at least I got the right size. That's good. Sure, guess what?
All right, guys, cool. So I've just finished the radiator cover, and it looks nice, but it's a little bit flimsy for myself, you know. Like I don't know. I mean, it's nice, but I'll show you. Look. It's a little bit too flimsy for my liking, but I think we can make it work. We're gonna get some wood, attach some wood to behind the radiator, and hopefully that should make it stick. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So yeah, now it's time to put up the creme de la creme. Babe, should I show them, babe? Should I show them, babe? Should I show them? I shouldn't show them. I can't show you guys. I can't show you. Wait till you see what we're gonna do for you guys, yeah? Wait till you see what we're gonna do for you guys. It is going to be crazy.
This is the chair that when our kids are teenagers and they come home late at night, they open the door.
Yes.
You're going to be gritting there.
Exactly.
Okay, we've got like 16 years.
When my kid come home late, when Zay comes home late, or my daughter comes home late, and be held with my belt. Stroking my cat.
We don't have a cat.
A dog.
No, no dog either.
No pets.
No pets, yeah.
I have my fish tank. Guys, you guys thought you was ready. We're gonna find more light. There we go. You guys thought you was ready for this. Y'all gonna be ready for this. It's too epic. I'm feeling this though. I'm feeling how this is all looking now though.
So first off, you got Radiator.
Ciao! Creme de la crizzle. Ooh.
Let's go.
Ooh.
We marked it out, so when it was my birthday, we had like a barbecue and we put it up temporarily, but they all fell off. So yeah, but we've marked it out, so we know exactly where it's going. It's gonna be right there. Ooh.
It just works. It just
I'm
works.
seeing it.
It just works.
Let me
It just
get
works.
Mommy and Laurie. My Decepticon one.
Jeez.
But you know what's funny, yeah? So literally the night that we put it up, like we all got into bed and all you hear is boom, boom, boom. Come downstairs, every single one of them on the floor. But unfortunately, Isaiah's one was over here and it fell straight to the floor and the frame broke.
Stress.
But I'm smart and I'm resourceful. I use super glue and I fix it.
Guys, don't that just look beautiful? I'm just saying, doesn't that just look beautiful?
So we do have to actually put it back in the frame.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Alright guys. Oh babe, let's tidy up babe. Just get rid of the stuff. So we can do our transformation.
It's not finished, we've still got to do the mirror wall.
Yeah, but we're just... Okay, sure, yeah. Guys, look at that. It just looks so lush.
I just want to get something for the sofa.
It just looks lush. So next is just the details gonna go on the wall there. The mirror, a couple flower pots. Then we've got to clear that window, so.
Yeah, I might get a little tray or some shelf or something. These are gonna go on here somewhere. I forgot to tell you, I saw like an egg timer thing in Home Bargains for like £5, but I didn't buy it because I wasn't sure if I wanted it.
It's cold. is the last feature going up.
Yeah.
Are you spray painted?
Yeah, I saw the hack on TikTok, and the lady that did it, she used like frog tape, but she also did the side skin over here.
Sorry. I was looking at you through the mirror.
Yeah, she glued the side together, but because I spray paint, I don't think it would be a good idea for me to glue it, just in case it comes undone, it will actually remove the paint, and then I'll have blotchy mirrors. So I'm just going to tape it, and I hope the best really.
Hi, Baba.
I've done 2, as you can see.
They're looking
I've
beautiful.
done 2 already, just to kind of...
Blood, that wall's gonna look fire. I'm coming in. Yeah, this is looking dope. What a transformation.